Hi everyone, Dr. Sylvestre here. I was very excited to get my femoral head ostectomy workshop, which started off as a hands-on workshop many years ago, but to actually make it a little more complete, a little more in depth, so that as a virtual workshop, it would have all the information that you need to be able to perform this procedure. In my opinion, the FHO is one of the most underutilized procedures in small animal general practice. You don't have to actually like doing orthopedic surgery and still be able to do this particular procedure. It carries a very good prognosis with the appropriate post-operative care, which I totally detail for you in the workshop. But the prognosis is excellent. It can save life and limbs of many patients in general practice that just aren't going to make it to a referral hospital to maybe have a closed reduction or a fracture repair or an FHO there as well. The FHO can readily be used as a primary treatment option for many hip-related issues. It doesn't have to be considered a salvage procedure and only utilized when nothing else will work or is available. FHO. Learn how to do an FHO. Save some pets' lives, save some pet limbs. Let's get this done together.